Today we will continue the same chapter, that is chapter number 15, area. In that we have learned the two exercise, that is 15.1 and 15.2. Today we will start with a new exercise, that is 15.3. Let's start with the first sum. See, in the question it is given. In the given figure, quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Side AB is parallel to side DC. Length of AB is equal to 13 centimeter and CD or DC is equal to 9 centimeter. AD is equal to 8 centimeter. Find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD. Here already given some measurement and they told that AB is parallel to DC. So here what you will write first, in solution you will write whatever is given in the question. That is quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium with side AB parallel to side DC. So it is already given in the question that side AB is parallel to side DC and AB, measure of AB is 13 centimeter, DC is 9 centimeter and AD is 8 centimeter. Now here we will use the formula, that is area of a trapezium. Now area of a trapezium is half into sum of the length of parallel side multiplied by height. Now here parallel line is our AB and DC and our height is AD. So here we will write area of a trapezium ABCD equal to half into AB plus DC. That is our parallel line that we will write in bracket. That is AB plus DC bracket close multiply by height. Now in this figure, which is our height? AD is our height. So multiply by AD. Now half into AB is 13 plus DC is 9. So 13 plus 9 bracket close multiply by AD. Now AD is how much? 8 centimeter. So we will write 8. Now half into 13 plus 9. If we add 13 and 9, we are getting answer as 22. Then multiply by 8 as it is. Now in 2 table 22 is coming. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 11s are 22. Now what will be remaining? 11 multiplied by 8. So 11 8 is how much? 11 8 is 88 square centimeter. That means the area of a quadrilateral ABCD is 88 centimeter, square centimeter. See here, whatever is given we have written. Then we have used the formula of area of a trapezium, that is half into sum of the length of parallel side multiply by height. So there we have put the values, and after putting values or cutting, we got the answer, that is 88 square centimeter. So area of a trapezium, that is quadrilateral ABCD, is how much? 88 square centimeter. So the next sum is, next question, length of two parallel sides of a trapezium are 8.5 centimeter and 11.5 centimeter respectively, and its height is 4.2 centimeter. Find its area. Now same here also, parallel side is given, that is 8.5 centimeter and 11.5 centimeter, and height is also given 4.2 centimeter. So whatever is given, that you will write on one side in given column. That is two parallel side of a trapezium is 11.5 centimeter, 8.5 centimeter. height is 4.2 centimeter. Now then we will write the formula, that is area of a trapezium. Now area of a trapezium is half into length of parallel side multiplied by height. Now half into one side is 8.5 plus 11.5 bracket close multiply by 4.2. Now here as we add 11.5 plus 8.5, what you will get? 5 plus 5 0, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10, then 2. After that 0 will cut, so what will remain? 20. So that only I have written 20 multiplied by 4.2. Now if we multiply 20 by 4.2, you will get answer, that is 42 square centimeter. Now you can see 20 multiplied by 4.2. 2 zeros are 0, 2 twos are 4, 0 you have to carry, 4 zeros are 0 and 4 twos are 8. See, now what, wait a minute, just, now here you got half multiply by 20. We missed that half part, multiply by 4.2. Now here 2 ones are 2 and 2 tens are 20. Now 10 into 4.2, 10 42 is 42 only, but 0 will come, it become 420. After one number we will put point. So here 0 will cut. What will be our answer? Our answer will be 42 square centimeter. See, after adding 8.5 plus 11.5, we are getting 20. Now half multiply by 20 multiply by 4.2. Now 2 ones and 2 tens is 20. Cutting we have done. After cutting, 10 multiply by 4.2 is remaining. Now 42 tens is 420. After one number you have to put point. So we have put it point. So what is the final answer? The final answer is 42 square centimeter. Now we will start with our next practice set, that is practice set 15.4. Here first question, sides of a triangle are 45 centimeter, 39 centimeter and 42 centimeter. Find its area. Now here only I explain you, when there are three sides given, you have to use the formula, that is Heron's formula. Before starting that formula, first you have to find the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter formula, that is A plus B plus C divided by 2. Now we will see over here. Now here A is given 45 centimeter, B is given 39 centimeter and C is given 42 centimeter. So three sides are given. So that time we have to use the formula first, that is semi-perimeter of a triangle. Now semi-perimeter of a triangle is S, that is short form of semi-perimeter, S equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. Now here A plus B plus C is 45 plus 39 plus 42 divided by 2. Now if we add all the number, we are getting answer as 126 upon 2. Now we have to cut 2 ones are 2, 2 how many times is 12? 2 6 are 12 and 2 3s are 6. That means semi-perimeter that we got is 63. So as we got semi-perimeter, that is 63, we have to use the formula of Heron's, that is S square root of S bracket S minus A bracket close S minus B, next X S minus C. Now we have to put the value of S as well as the value of A, B and C. Now I have put it here the value, that is S we got, that is 63. So square root of 63 bracket 63 minus 45, that is S and A. Then S minus B, that is 63 minus 39. And next S minus 3, that is 63 minus 42. Now here you can see in the next line, that is 63 minus 45, we are getting 18. 63 minus 39, we are getting 24. And 63 minus 42, we are getting 21. So here square root of 63 multiplied by 18 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 21. Till here, after that what we have to do? See, we have to write the tables, or you can do the prime factor also. You can do the prime factor also, or you can do that number is coming in which table. So here we will see all that thing. See, now first 63 is not coming. We will write 63 as it is. 63 as it is, or else we can take 63, that is 9 7 is 63. See, square root 9 into 7. See the first number 63. 63, that means 9 7 is 63. Now 18 means 9 2 18. That means multiply by 9 into 2. The second number 18. Now 24, it is going by 8 table. 8 3 24. Now the last number is 21, that is 7 3 7 3 21. See, you can do prime factor also, or you can take tables also. So first 63, I have taken the table of 9, that is 9 7 63. Then 9 2 18. Then 8 3 24. Then 21, that means 7 3 21. Now after that, you have to see the common. Now here common is 9 9. So we will write common as 9. Then another common is 7 7 multiply by 7. Then another is 3 3 multiply by 3. And next is 8 and 2 is remaining, that is uncommon. So 8 2 is how much? 8 2 is 16. See, we got this thing, that is the square root of 9. Common nikala, that we have to write 9 ka square, then 7 square, then 3 square, and then 16 we got, that is 8 into 2. Now here once again we will write same thing, square root of 9 square multiply by 7 square multiply by 3 square. Now 16 is the square of which number? 16 is the square of which number? Very good. It is the square of 4. Not Shamli, not 8. It is the square of 4. So we will write multiply by 4 square. Now next we will, what we have to find? We have to find the area of a triangle. Now this is square root symbol. If we remove this square root symbol, we will get answer only question as 9 into 7 into 3 into 4. Square root we will remove, so that this square root will also remove, and only the number that will remain, that is 9 into 7 into 3 into 4. Now 9 sevens are, now you have to multiply 9 into 7. 9 sevens is 63. Very good. 9 sevens is 63. Now 63 multiply by 3. 63 multiply by 3. That is 189. Now 189 multiply by 4. Very good. We got answer, that is 756. So that same answer we have written 756.